Look, we haven't even... Hindi pa kami nakapag... What the fuck? Honestly, we haven't cleaned yet yung room because kababalik ko lang din dito after 2 weeks na walang pasok. I mean, asynchronous lang yung pasok namin. Kasi dahil nga sa bagyong Emo, our school is yung isa sa mga pinaka na apektuhan dahil sa bagyo. So basically, for this next week, it's still asynchronous because wala pa rin kuryente doon. Tas, wala pa rin kuryente. And wala din masyadong network dito. Wala masyadong signal. So, if you see me upload this video, probably it's gonna take a while before I can upload this. Or, makaka-upload man ako pero baka data rin yung gamit ko. Kasi even yung wifi, walang signal talaga. It's devastating because been able to go to school. Lalo na sa amin. Because yung mode of class kasi namin is more on using PPT. So, we can't really commence class na walang kuryente. So, ang klase kasi namin is as a whole na. Basically, from other majors is mga kaklase ko na rin. So, kaya, it's really hard to accommodate. Basically, ang ginawa na lang is binigyan na lang yung module sa amin for us to review in preparation of our post-test for the face-to-face class and mock board after. Kasi inuna namin tapusin yung course audit before kami mag-practice teaching. Yeah, I think that's their ngayon. Ang ingay! Yun yung parang naayos nilang mode of classes namin ngayon para diretso na yung practice teaching namin for this sem. Kasi in campus kami. So right now, naghahanap ako ng... What the fuck? Sorry, sa sa kabila yun. So, yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, as you can see, it's been a while since I've uploaded some new vlogs. Been really busy. Tapos, super inconsistent ng internet connection. Walang signal. Walang kuryente for like almost a week. Kaya kailangan kong umuwi sa bahay. Kasi dito, almost 2 weeks, no? I think it's 2 weeks na walang kuryente. And up until now is, nasa, I think, around 70% pa lang yung naayos. Kasi ang dami talaga nagsitumbahang puno. Dun nga sa way dito, nun, I got trapped here nung nagbabagyo kasi walang daanan, girl. Ang daming nagsitumbahang puno. Like, wala talagang makapasok, wala ding makalabas na sasakyan. So, you have to walk hanggang sa mismong highway. Kaya, it's really hard for me to go home that time. Inantay ko muna magkaroon ng clearing, tas merong mga tricycles na napasok dito sa barangay. So, na pinag-iestayan ko. Kaya, ayun, saka lang ako nakauwi after that. And sakto namang pag-uwi ko sa bahay, just a few hours, nagkaroon na kami ng kuryente dun sa amin, dun sa bahay. Kasi dun sa amin kasi less lang naman yung parang naging, wala namang masyadong kuryenteng natumba, ganyan. Kaya madali lang siya naayos. Ang naging problem lang din naman sa bahay is yung time na binaha. Kasi umapaw both yung sa may irigasyon at saka sa may waig, putang ina. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung... hindi ko alam yung Tagalog nun.
Sapa kasi yun, girl!
O Ilocano kaya alam niyo yung paiyas or yung waig mismo, yung umapaw. So basically, nagsalubong yung tubig mismo dun sa amin. Kaya, ayun, umapaw yung tubig. For today's outfit, change location tayo. Because for today's outfit, hindi pa naman ako nakakaligo. So I'm still gonna go and head out. Hindi. Wala kasi akong normal clothes dito sa place ko. Normal clothes. Hindi, wala yung pambahay. Kaya, mostly pantulog lang talaga. Kasi, I'm only staying here kapag may pasok. So, mostly na damit ko, hindi pambahay, kundi pantulog lang. So, ayoko namang mag-pajama kasi it's too hot. So, wala tayong choice. Gagamitin ko yung mga panlabas ko. Kahit na wala akong pupuntahan. So, today, I'm gonna use this dress. Actually, thrifted to. Tapos, in-alter ko lang. Hindi maayos yung pagkaka-alter niya, as you can see. Black kasi wala akong ibang... Tinahi ko lang siya. Kasi wala akong ibang wala akong ibang color na pang tahi. Kaya black. Wala na akong choice. hindi ko na maantay. Gusto ko na isuot nun. Kaya hanggang sa nawala sa isip ko na kailangan ko pala ito paayos. Long sleeve to noong una. Tinanggal ko lang yung sleeves and then created na ganito. Because it's more cute and breezy. Wow, girly girly. This is what I'm gonna wear today. It's freaking hot outside. So I just finished taking a bath. I'm still thinking on what I'm gonna do today. I have an OVJO assignment, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now or within the week na lang. Nakakatamad kasi. But anyway, I don't know if I should clean a bit dito sa room, but there's a lot of things that I don't want to. Ayokong hawakan because it's not mine in the first place. Kaya, yun. I have to think it through muna. So maybe let's see kung what I'm gonna do today. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do a little cleaning. Konting cleaning na lang gagawin ko. Temporarily. Para naman pahinga-hinga ng konti tong room. I'm gonna do a bit of cleaning with this outfit. That's what I'm gonna do. Nababagot na ako dito sa room namin. It's dirty. So many. Ang daming hair. I mean, it's clear na babae yung mga nakatira dito. So yeah, I just got done cleaning for a little bit kasi hindi ko na kaya talaga. Hindi ko na kaya yung init, sobrang init dito. So nilabhan ko yung floor mat namin. Tapos nagmap ako konti dito. Hindi matanggal yung stain. I don't know how to remove that, pero nagmap ako ng konti. Maybe pagbalik na lang ng mga kasama ko dito sa room, saka namin dodoblehin maglinis. So yeah. Imagine guys, with this cute outfit, nag-scrub ako sa may CR and then nagmamap ako dito. So yeah, you still need to be glamorous when it comes to, you know, kahit simpleng cleaning lang because you have to be pretty. Charot, hindi, wala lang talaga akong masuot. I didn't wear my glasses for 2 days na. So, I guess I'm gonna adjust. My eyes is gonna adjust again. Tapos, hindi pa ako nagsuklay. Kasi inuna akong maglinis. Instead na sana, before ako maligo sa maglinis. But it's too hot. Masyado mainit. Kaya kailangan akong maligo. I don't know what else I have to do for the day. Sobrang init dito. May aircon naman, but I don't wanna risk opening it. Kasi hindi pa ganun ka-clean yung room. Kaya ayoko muna siyang buksan. Kahit naiinitan na ako ng sobra. So, masyadong malinis yung room. So yeah, for now, aantayin ko na lang na dumating muna yung mga ka-roommates ko before ako mag-proceed na maglinis. Para may kasama ako dito. Para alam ko kung alin dito yung mga itatapon, ganun. Ang hirap naman na nag-decision ko mag-isa. It's not just my room. Kasi bed space lang din naman. Kaya yung decision hindi lang sa akin. Buti sana kung solo ko dito. Manifesting. One day, I'll move out and, you know, have my own room. For now, this muna. Because ito lang muna yung kaya. Since ito pa lang yung kaya, and just be resilient about it. Right now, I'm actually classifying my dresses. No, dresses? Mga damit ko. Because nagulo na naman. Hindi ko na naman alam kung bakit. Paano ko na naman ito nagulo. Kasi naayos. I have a new skirt actually. Bumili na naman ako. This is my new skirt. May belt bag siya nakasama. Pero it was removed muna for a while. Because ginagamit ko siya on other things. And this is one of my favorite skirt. It's actually a long skirt na may cut dito sa harap. Na meron siyang ganito. The only reason why I bought this long skirt kasi mura lang siya for a long skirt. Tsaka it's really cute. It caught my eye. Parang nung nakalagay kasi siya sa may tawag nito. Nung nakalagay siya sa may hanger, hindi siya napapansin. Because it looks plain, not until you see the details below. Actually, ginawa ko pa siyang dress one time. And I have a video of that. Thinking of ano yung magiging top neto. I also bought this cords. I can use this top dun sa skirt na pinakita ko kanina. So this is the top. It's supposed to be like that. O very, diba, very kikay. A mini skirt. Perfect for the beach talaga. But I rarely go to the beach. So yeah, it looks like this. It's gonna look like this. I don't know if you can see it. Pero ito yung skirt niya. Ito yung skirt. I don't know, it caught my eye and then hindi ko na siya mabitawan for some reason. So, you know, I just took the risk. I'm just a girl. Eto is, actually, co-ords din to, pero ginamit ko yung top for another look. I actually made a reel. May ginawa kong reel na ginamit ko yung top nito. I think ilang beses ko na to ginamit because it's so, so kung kahit san ko siya gamitin, it's gonna look good because of its details din. Looks nice. This one, same shop, doon ko din binili. Ganyan siya sa likod, diba, napaka-sexy. And then eto siya sa harapan. So it's gonna adjust. Na-adjust mo to. Yeah, it's gonna look like that sa harap. Very sexy. Probably some of my favorite dresses are here, but I can't really wear it kasi almost ngayong 4th year is parang magiging yung 5 days namin is naka-uniform na lang kami all the time. So I don't think I can show you an outfit on OOTD or something pagka weekdays, lalo na pag may pasok, kasi I can't wear it na. I'm just gonna create a separate video for it na sinashowcase ko yung mga dresses ko. Most of my clothes here, hindi ko talaga siya nagagamit. Wala naman akong paggagamitan, I rarely go out. Most clothes na ginagamit ko dito are pantulog, jersey, because I have a lot of jersey from my previous games. Kaya, yan yung mga go-to damit ko because they're comfy. Really comfortable. As you can see yung mga t-shirt ko. Kung mapapansin nyo, puro jersey. I freaking love collecting jerseys that have my surname kasi nakaka-proud. I mean, it's kind of trophy for me. Nakikita ko na kahit I'm not that good, I'm excelling sa isang bagay. I can see myself excelling sa mga bagay na I like doing. Jersey na naman. Parang yun yung redemption mo sa mga ginawa mo. Redemption for your hard work, for your efforts, for the time na nilaan. Yeah, it's my redemption. Some sort of redemption na nagawa ko yun. And that's the best part of it. Diba? Actually, ito yung partner nung pajama kanina. Hindi ko lang ginamit because it's too hot. Ako maglo-long sleeve. Init-init na ako maglo-long sleeve pa ako. Just with my hanger, my uniform. And then I'm done. I don't think I have the best skin condition right now because look, I'm breaking out for some reason. Tapos ang pangit yung skin texture ko. Maybe it's gonna fix it for a bit. I stopped yung OG skincare ko talaga that works for me. Kasi nung naubusan ako, hindi ko na tinuloy. So I got lazy on taking care of my skin. Limutan ko and nagpupuyat ako. May reason talaga yung nagpupuyat ako. Kaya ang pangit ng skin condition ko right now. If you can see it in real life, you're gonna agree with me. What I'm putting on my face right now is an Oxycure. I'm gonna put some na lang. Because I want it to stay for at least 12 hours. Para ma-dry up yung mga pimples. Kasi isang part lang talaga yung nagbe-breakout. Wala naman masyado dito sa kabila. Well, technically, may malaki dito sa kabilang part. Pero sa kabila kasi yung madami. And it's turning red. I think that's all for our vlog today kasi baka masyado nang mahaba. Yun lang naman yung gagawin ko, and that's a quick update on what happened for the past 2 weeks. Nakasurvive ako. Charot. Bumabangon pa rin ang LU. My family was okay. Wala naman walang casualties sa amin. It's the best part of it. That's all for the vlog for today. Bye! See you on the next one!